fucking with the stuff?
Cause I can do that.
You fucking it all.
I can do that. Shit. Anyway, I would bought one of these and one of these because I know how you feel about the damn doritos shit. And the jalapeno shit.
What the fuck is a chipotle cream?
I don't know. Let's see shit. Now, shake you one. Just one. Let me mind that bag.
Nah. It tastes like booty. I don't even know what booty tastes like. But that's booty. That tastes like a construction man booty.
Nah, I can't eat the rest of it now.
Working all day.
Chipotle cream.
I mean, it got a good aftertaste. It got a Dorito aftertaste with heat.
You taste the heat now, don't you?
Yeah, but that first, go ahead, let me get one more then. Maybe I had a bad taste. Let me get that out. That's still construction man booty. I can't do that.
No.
And mix it with beer and make it even moist.
No.
Let me get that out of my mouth for real.
Alright.
Fuck with that.
Let me drink this over here. Alright. I want that in my mouth last. So we're going to do these jalapeno Ruffles. Yeah. And I only bought a small bag.
Oh!
What?
That booty on you.
Man, you could have kept that on your thing.
What would Gary say? No.
Hey, give me them damn chips.
Give me some more of them damn chips. I know they'll be alright. Oh,
I gotta be greedy.
Beating this now.
They're good. Alright.
Yeah, they alright.
Should have bought you a bag.
No.
So you gonna eat these, man?
No, they alright to eat. But I don't know no more.
Not right now.
Never.
Never. I'll eat them again. I will eat these again on any day. It really gonna taste like jalapeno though.
No. They ain't no heat really. It almost got a sour cream and chive, or sour cream and onion.
Now I bought two of those.
Oh man, he's already good. I don't even know about him.
Yeah, I bought 2 bags of those because I know how you is with hot shit.
I'm highly disappointed.
They ain't hot.
They not hot. Let me see one more game with that.
Hey, look at it. Look at girl. Everything up in there red. Ain't been hot.
I'm trying to get that taste.
To eat these,
It tastes like
I'm
wood.
actually have
Wood chips. I ain't never ate wood chips either, but I would think.
I'm gonna actually have to put hot sauce on these to eat these. I ain't like nothing but the jalapeno ranch.
So who you gonna feed the dick cheese on to?
Whoever come on here and beg.
Bruce.
Like, you got some chips?
There you go, Bo. I don't think I can go wrong with this damn Whopper.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and drink this.
You looking at the clock for?
He forced me to drink. Alright. It's a wrap. Ain't it?
Yep.
Chips.
Yep, that's a wrap.